Hi guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to unbox the newly bought cover of the Redmi Pad. So I bought it just a couple of days ago, and we're gonna do unboxing today. So stick around. So yeah guys, this is the box of the new Redmi Pad cover. So I just cleaned it a while ago, and let's unbox it. Alright, so I also chose the color mint green. As you know guys, this is my Redmi Pad, and it's also mint green. So I also chose the same color, that would go with this color. So let's see. Let's take the cover out of this plastic. Okay, first impression guys is it feels like leather, and yeah, I can say that the quality is quite good. I only bought this for about 29 yuan, so it's pretty reasonable. I'd say it's very affordable guys. It's not expensive. And here guys is in black color, and it's somehow very flexible guys. It's not hard plastic, it's kind of rubberized guys. You can see it here guys. Look at the texture. So there are some dots that are kind of rubberized. Yeah, I really think guys that this cover is pretty nice, and it's really value for money. I'd say it's very affordable guys. I'd say it's kind of low price, because if you buy this kind of cover at Xiaomi store, it will cost you like 99 yuan, but online you got to choose a lot of different colors as well, and different kinds of designs. So yeah, I opted for this color because it really blends in with my new Redmi Pad, as you see guys. All right, let's try to put the pad in this casing. Let's see how this fits in. Okay. Oops, it's a little tight. Okay. This side needs to fit in. All right. Okay guys, wow. So there it is guys. It really fits well. I can't say anything more. I'm speechless, because I was thinking that the quality of this cover would be just so-so or just okay, but I'm pretty impressed. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So when you flip this up, and it will turn on, you see that? And when you close it, the pad will shut off. See? Yeah, and this is the back guys. The color is so cool guys, very very refreshing to look at. Very nice, guys. And as you can see, it really fits well to the camera module. And I think I can make a close-up shot, and you can see, guys, that the texture is somehow a little grainy. You can see that, guys. So it's not totally smooth, leatherette, but it's somehow a little rough. You can see the texture in the camera, and I'm pretty satisfied, guys. Looks really nice. Yeah, you can also flip it the other round, flip it like that, like a triangular side. You can, and it can stand by itself. So yeah, guys, just like that, you can fold the cover of the casing into like triangular shape, and your pad can stand by itself just like that. So yeah, that's what the new Redmi Pad cover looks like, and I hope you get some idea about this cover. I think you can buy it online anywhere you are, depending on which location you are. But honestly, I loved it. So with that said, we've come to an end. Thank you all for watching this video. Till my next one. 再见. Bye bye.